your certificate is your achievement. So every time you finish a course, you get a certificate, and now your goal to collect the certificate first, and then you're gonna utilize it and you announce it and build up your profile at a platform like LinkedIn. So now, how to get the certificate first? Okay, whenever you finish a course in Udemy, it comes to the final page. Congratulations, finishing your courses, yeah. And then you go top right corner, you say get certificate. You click that one, and you can click the get certificate. And as soon as you do this one, immediately open up in a new tab, and it basically give you the certificates here. But now let's talk about the situation. Let's say example, you are in this situation and by accidentally you close that out. Where are you gonna get it, right? So let's say this is the situation. You log into the Udemy and this is how you see. So what do? You go to the My Learning and you go to the My All Learning and you see all the learning you have done. So to get the certificate, you must finish the course 100%. Let's say example, this productivity course is 100% finished already. You click into it and it will open into it, and then you just go in the top right corner. It's always there for you. So all you need to do is just click into it and you click the get certificate, and then it will be up front here for you. And now the goal is to just simply save it. So now the save it have many multiple options. You can directly share it. When you click this one, you can share in X, Facebook. I mean, it's easy to share it out by clicking that icon, or LinkedIn too as well, but not the ideal way of doing this one, because I'm going to show you to really build a LinkedIn profile for you, so which can give you the ultimate advantage for you too, which I'm going to explain to you in the next coaching session. So stay with me. For right now, you could just put it in X if you want to announce. If you put it in a Facebook, it's fine. So the goal is to first download it, right? It has a dates, and these are the numbers are really valuable thing. This is the certificate ID, reference number, and so on. So now click into it. Ideally, you can download in PDF or you can in JPEG, not a problem. So now let's say example, I'm downloading in JPEG. And now it's coming to all the way. It's open up the next tab too. It's not downloaded yet. It's still in the browser. So all you need to do is to right click into it, and you can choose the save image as, and then you write it down productivity. Let's say my productivity course certificate from VSHR Pro Academy. And then you press save, and now your course, the certificate is finally downloaded. So these are the information going to be really valuable for you, and because you're going to utilize all of this one to show this how 100% valid this certificate it is. That means you really did this one. You did not just Photoshop it, or you did not collect it from AI photo generator like most people does that right now. So you can actually legitimately show this one is a real certificate. And now basically I have downloaded this one. I'm going to go down, and there is my certificate already been downloaded here. So this is how you can download all the certificate, and I suggest you must download all the certificate. There's no way you should miss out the opportunity to showcase your achievement in a platform like LinkedIn. And I'm going to show you right now how you can do it in an effective way too. And I will see you in the next coaching session right now.